spend the day with me as I capture high-quality, on-the-go vlogs with ease. I'm capturing my day with the Canon PowerShot V1. My PowerShot V1 is small and portable, so it feels like a point-and-shoot camera, but still has advanced camera features, so it captures clear, true-to-life colors every time. I've also got a small portable tripod grip that I can use to zoom while vlogging. I can easily connect my V1 to my Selfie QX20 photo printer, which we'll use later. Hello vlog! With the PowerShot V1's built-in optical and digital image stabilization, the footage for my vlog stays smooth and steady, no matter how much movement my day has. With a built-in 16 to 50mm ultra-wide-angle lens and power zoom, I can adjust to capture different types of footage seamlessly and quickly, like the selfie or up close, panning, and slow zooms. The V1 has it all. Let's go! The light on this rooftop is stunning, but can easily overexpose my video. With the built-in ND filter, I can manage it and retain awesome image quality, even with the sun coming straight at the lens. Like sunglasses. Then, with the Canon Camera Connect app, I can do remote recording to get the perfect shot right before the dance countdown begins. And wirelessly transfer videos and photos straight to my phone so I can easily share with my friends and print a fun memory from the day using my Selfie QX20. So cute! From the first step to the final frame, my PowerShot V1 lets me capture my full vlog journey with every move shining through. The PowerShot V1, vision to video.